Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study geography notes effectively. Active recall is a powerful technique. Instead of passively rereading, transform your notes into questions. For example, after studying a region, ask yourself about its major rivers or climate zones. Then, try to answer without peeking. This process strengthens your memory pathways, making information much easier to retrieve during assessments. Spend about 15 minutes on this daily. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your study routine. Review material after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, and so on. This method combats the forgetting curve, ensuring long-term retention. Additionally, leverage visual aids. Draw your own maps, create flowcharts for processes like the water cycle, or sketch landforms. Visualizing information helps your brain process and store complex geographical data more efficiently, making it stick. To truly master geography, apply what you learn. Connect concepts like urbanization or climate change to current news stories or local examples. This makes the subject more relevant and memorable. Also, dedicate time to drawing maps from memory, labeling continents, oceans, or specific landforms. This active engagement reinforces spatial understanding. Discussing topics with a study partner for 20 minutes can also reveal new perspectives and solidify your knowledge. Finally, practice summarizing and teaching. Try to condense a chapter's worth of notes into a single page, highlighting only the most crucial information. This forces you to identify core concepts. Even better, try explaining a complex geographical process, like plate tectonics or global trade routes, to a friend or even a pet. If you can teach it clearly, you truly understand it. This final step is a powerful way to consolidate your learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.